Welcome back to Balor Sabs, your go-to channel for the latest in agriculture and the tech transforming our food systems. Today, we're diving into the most mind-blowing planting and harvesting machines, straight out of a sci-fi movie. First up, let's talk about the John Deere X9 combine harvester. A true monster in the field, and one of the most advanced pieces of agricultural machinery ever built. This isn't just a big machine. It's a symbol of how far farming technology has come. When you see it rolling across a field, you know something impressive is about to happen. Its massive header stretches wider than many city streets, devouring crops at lightning speed. The X9 can harvest more acres in less time than almost any other combine, making it a game changer for large-scale farmers. But it's not just about raw power or size. Packed with advanced sensors and cutting-edge smart technology, the X9 constantly monitors its environment and crop conditions. It automatically adjusts its harvesting settings in real time, ensuring every pass is as efficient and precise as possible. Operators can control everything from a touchscreen, making the process smoother and more intuitive than ever before. The X9 is designed to minimize grain loss, which means it saves tons of valuable crops that older machines might leave behind. Every kernel counts, and this combine makes sure as much as possible ends up in the trailer, not on the ground. Efficiency and innovation come together in this beast, allowing farmers to cover more ground with less effort and fewer resources. It's not just about speed, it's about doing the job right every single time. The John Deere X9 isn't just a machine, it's the future of harvesting, leading the way for a new era of smart, sustainable, and highly productive farming. Next up, let's check out the Fendt Momentum Planter, an absolute game-changer in the world of modern agriculture. This isn't just any planter, it's a powerhouse of innovation, designed to make planting more precise, efficient, and reliable than ever before. With cutting-edge technology, it delivers precision planting at its finest, ensuring every seed is placed exactly where it needs to be for optimal growth. Thanks to advanced GPS guidance and smart sensors, the planter automatically adjusts to plant each seed at the perfect depth and spacing, row after row, no matter the field's shape or size. It's built to adapt on the fly, handling different soil types and uneven terrain with ease, while also optimizing the use of water and fertilizer to reduce waste and maximize efficiency. The result? Higher yields, healthier crops, and a more sustainable approach to farming. The Fendt Momentum Planter is smart, eco-friendly, and truly efficient, planting seeds like a boss every single time. The Case IH Early Riser Planter is all about speed and accuracy. Electric motors control each row unit, ensuring perfect seed placement, even at top speeds. It thrives in tough conditions, from rocky soils to hilly terrain. This planter is the off-road champion of the field, fast, tough, and precise. Meet the New Holland CR Revelation Combine. Tough on the outside, gentle on your crops. With dual rotors and an innovative threshing system, it maximizes grain quality and minimizes waste. Every kernel is harvested in pristine condition. Enter the Kubota Rice Transplanter, revolutionizing rice farming worldwide. It transplants delicate seedlings with speed and care, using a system that ensures perfect spacing. Plus, it multitasks, fertilizing and applying herbicides as it goes. A true time saver for rice farmers. The Claslexian 8900 harvester is a marvel of modern agriculture. With massive capacity and smart tech, it collects real-time data on yield and moisture for ultimate efficiency. This is smart farming at its best. The Amazon EDX Precision Air Seeder is all about perfect seed placement. Using air pressure and gravity, it distributes seeds evenly and gently. It also protects soil health by minimizing disturbance. Better starts, healthier fields. That's a wrap on the future of farming. What an incredible journey it's been exploring the latest innovations and breakthroughs in agricultural technology. From the fields to the labs, we've seen how science and engineering are transforming the way we grow our food, making farming smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable for generations to come. These machines are truly changing the game. Autonomous tractors, precision seeders, and advanced harvesters are not just making life easier for farmers, they're helping to feed the world while protecting our planet's resources. It's amazing to witness how technology is reshaping agriculture right before our eyes. Out of all the incredible equipment we've seen today, which one impressed you the most? Was it the self-driving tractors, the drone-powered crop monitors, or maybe the robotic harvesters working side by side in the fields? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions and experiences with agri-tech. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of agricultural innovation and technology. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with Valor Sabs. Together, we can stay curious, stay inspired, and keep growing our knowledge about the future of farming. Until next time, keep your eyes on the fields and your mind open to new possibilities in agriculture.